Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of a block with single argument. Now we will see practical of block with multiple parameters. Here in multiple block example, we will perform addition of two variables. So I am creating one method definition, let's say addition block. Our method definition start. Here I am giving some message. Let's say we will perform addition of two variables and I am calling yield statement and I am passing two arguments. Let's say first is 10 and my second argument, that is 20, and I am printing out another message, let's say thank you, and here our method definition ends. Now I am calling this block, so the block name must match with the definition, so our addition block, and our block starts here. Now I am receiving the parameters in local variables, let's say variable A and variable B, and here I am printing out one message, let's say addition is, and here I am doing interpolation, that is variable A plus variable B, and I am hitting enter. Miss out put a statement to write here, so that is the reason why it has not executed the addition is statement. So here I need to write put s, and now it will print addition message as well. We will perform addition of two variables, and by using this yield statement I have passed two parameters 10 and 20. So these both the parameters are available here in my local variable. Variable A contains a value 10, variable B contains a value 20, and here I am performing an addition of these two variables. So variable A plus variable B, that is 30. So our output is here addition is 30, and the last execution of the statement, that is thank you, will printed here. In next lecture we will learn about the block scope variables.